Hi, I'm John Campo, Not So Neat Chef. You ever wonder if you can combine this with this? Well, I got something that'll work. Stay tuned. Okay, so what we're going to make is banana bread. That's right, sour cream and banana bread. Saw a recipe, I figured, you know what, that sounds kind of interesting, so let's give it a shot. So what you're going to need is very ripe bananas. I'm going to use 2 of the larger and 1 of the smaller. Peel these. Okay, use a potato masher. I'm just gonna kind of mash them up. All right. And to this, we're going to add 1.5 cups of butter, melted. To this, we're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Two eggs, and now we're going to add the sour cream, and that's 1/2 cup of sour cream. Okay, 1/2 cup of sour cream. That a stir. All right, now we've got a 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Give that a whisk. Almost forgot vanilla extract. Vanilla extract, we're talking 1 teaspoon. I love vanilla. I think I'm going to put a little bit more. And if you can, get the all natural. Don't get the artificial. The artificial it's got a funny aftertaste. And now we're going to add this liquid mixture into the flour, and we're going to mix it up Okay, try to get this well incorporated. And once it's well incorporated, it'll be ready. So I'm putting walnuts in mine. This is half a cup of chopped walnuts. You don't have to put them in, but I like walnuts, so I'm putting them in. And then you're going to put it in a loaf pan, a 9x5 loaf pan that's greased. Okay, so I have the oven preheating 350. I should have done that at the beginning, but I forgot. So I use glass loaf pans, and I've always had really good success without them sticking by spreading some butter all over the bottom surface and the sides, and then coating it with some flour. So that's how I do it. If you have a regular non-stick loaf pan, I guess just spray it with or coat it with butter, or spray it with some sort of oil. So pouring the batter into the loaf pan. Oops. I also like to give it a little tap, get any air bubbles out. So just cover and then that's it. So I'm going to wait for the oven to preheat. I'm going to put this in at 350 degrees for 60 minutes. I'm going to check it with a toothpick, and you want to be able to stick a toothpick in and pull it out clean without any raw batter on it. And then you'll know that it's done. So we'll be back when it comes out of the oven. Okay, so there you have it. We used sour cream and bananas to make banana nut bread. This went a little bit longer than the 1 hour that the recipe calls for. This wound up going for about 75 minutes. I used a skewer. Came out clean. So you're going to let it sit for 10 minutes, and then we're going to transfer it to a wire rack. And you're going to let it cool before you cut into it. Alright, so there you have it. Bananas with sour cream, all rolled up into a banana nut bread. So if you like this recipe, just give me a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. All the details will be in the descriptions below. Thanks for stopping by.